Hi, my name's Thomas Howell. I'm from Norwich and I've just studied the MSc in Air Transport Management.
I'm Sam Abouhalila, doing an MSc in Air Transport Management from the UK.
I think a big part of choosing Cranfield for me was the Cranfield name. It's obviously a very well thought of institution.
Cranfield does have a lot of courses for which it is the leader in its field.
The air transport course at Cranfield is recognised as one of the best of its kind.
Your mindset's quite different when you're doing a postgrad course. Being in an environment where it's just postgraduate study taking place, I think helps that.
I think being amongst other postgraduates, I think it just helps you focus. A massive benefit is actually just being around like-minded individuals, people with the same sort of passion and interest that you have.
It's nice to spend a year studying, working, getting to know people who share a common interest and have common goals. The course itself is very broad, it's varied, and the quality of teaching is generally very high. It put my career aspirations within my grasp.
A really good thing about the air transport team here is the network of past students and alumni that they have, and that really does count for a lot. The department are actually very good at publicising jobs that aren't necessarily publicly advertised, that come from that network that they've established.
I would recommend Cranfield to other people. There are a lot of very good courses here, and it's being quite far away from cities. I would say it's a place which is conducive to knuckling down and working hard. It does you a lot of favours, opens a lot of doors.